Honey, come on in, let's get into it. Do y'all see these braids? Do y'all see these braids? I've gotten so many compliments and so many questions on these crochet braids, so let's get into it. These are the ToyoTress Bohemian box crochet braids in 12 inches and a 1B. And honey, when I tell you, let's just get into it. Okay, so boom, this is me, hair freshly blow dried. That's kind of a look. You know, we got our little growth. You see me out here, the fro was getting bigger. Sheba's getting bigger. But anyway, let's get into it. So anytime I get crochet braids, my braider does the feed in method where she does like the little box braids and feeds them into each other to get the cornrow, to make it look a little bit more natural, like they are actual box braids. So you can see that here. She makes the little braids and feed them into each other and does like a little spiral beehive situation in the back. Yes, I am tender-headed, don't come for me. Anyway, so once that is done, she crochets the little ends in, and then we start on the actual hair. Okay, so she's starting in the back, looping in the crochets. They're super easy to loop in. They're super light and comfortable. I was nervous to try like pre-braided crochet braids. I feel like they'd be giving Halloween wigs sometimes. They'd be giving just not that girl, but these actually surprised the hell out of me. These Bohemian box braids, ToyoTress. I didn't know. I did not know, and now I do. To be clear, I purchased this with my own coin. The link will be down in the description box. I got the 8-pack. So it came with 8 packs all together, 16 strands per pack. We did not use all 8 packs. I want to say we only used like maybe 6 or 7. And I have a pretty big head. But this is the final look. Y'all cannot tell me that this hair is not giving. Y'all cannot tell me that these braids don't look like they are box braids and not crochets. They're super, super cute. I love the length. I love the style. I will say, because it is kind of like that boho chic with the like wavy pieces in it, it is synthetic hair and it will tangle over time. Do not get mistaken. But this is definitely, in my opinion, a very good like 4 to 6 week little hairstyle, especially with me being a new mom. I need something that's quick, easy, wham bam, thank you ma'am, but we're still cute. And that is exactly what this is giving. I absolutely love these crochets. I feel like out of all the ToyoTress crochets, and I've tried quite a few. I've tried the butterfly locks, I've tried the goddess locks, I've tried the passion twist. Like, I've tried quite a few, and all of them I've really liked, but this hands down is my favorite. These crochets are my favorite. Super cute, super comfortable, super lightweight, and they eat. They eat every time. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video of all the different ways that I style these crochet braids. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, when I tell you, honey, ToyoTress, these were gold. I must say, these were gold. So pretty much this is just me getting ready for brunch, but I wanted to show you guys just how the hair turned out, how we installed it, where the hair is from, because I've been getting so many questions and so many compliments. Most importantly, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like it, comment down below any questions or concerns that you may have. Just interact with the little community. And if you like our content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, sis. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload. And yes, honey, this is a cute little quick braid situation, as I like to call it. But when I tell you she's eating, leaving no crumbs, that's what I mean. And on that note, we out this beach. Out this beach. Hey, out this beach. Out this beach. Out this beach. Hey, out this beach. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know, I wouldn't want to bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you